Hi, welcome to Healthy Vegan Living. By now you've seen my Brussels sprouts cooked in the oven, and I'm hoping that you're rushing to the store and you're buying it. But I'm going to be talking about something different today. Many people wonder, what am I eating in a day? And many people, what they do is they say, I'm going to show you what I eat in one day. Well, I'm going to show you what I eat in 1 week. That way you can see the consistency of the diet and why I'm losing weight. Okay, so that's what this video is about. I hope you enjoy it, and we'll be seeing you soon.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living, a whole food plant-based lifestyle. Plant-based Dad Starch Solution Enthusiast is my support group, and this group helps me maintain my food, give me some advice, and basically be accountable. So it's like an accountability group. So today is November 15th. Breakfast, stainless steel oats, just teasing, with papaya and persimmons. Lunch, brown rice with garden veggies. Dinner, endive salad with tomatoes and the starch side polenta slices with a touch of vegan spicy ketchup. Carbonated water to drink, both lunch and dinner. My steps for the day were 4,000, church in the morning, bills, shredding afternoon, finished doing my tags, thanks Joy. Okay, so that's basically how this is always going to show up. Some days I'll do more, some days I'll do less, but it gives you an idea of how I'm setting this up. All comments are in the pictures. First picture is my breakfast. Second is a potato prep of Yukon Gold and red taters. Last picture is a stem with Brussels sprouts with a glaze. Breakfast, roll cook oats with an unripe persimmon and grapes, topped with flaxseed and almond milk. Prep a few days of cooked potatoes. Here in the Starch Solution, you always have to prep your food ahead of time. This helps you keep on your diet. This is going to be my birthday treat to myself. It's a stalk of Brussels sprouts with a maple onion pepper glaze topped with nutritional yeast. Top right, a gift of persimmons. Breakfast, steel oats, persimmons, and blueberries. Lunch, bell peppers with rice and beans and seeds. Dinner, huge salad with squash, white rice, green onions, and pumpkin seeds. Carbonated water to drink. Steps 6,000. Worked in the yard, laundry, and dementia Zoom class. Breakfast, I call it Kiwi Delight. Steel cut oats with overflowing kiwis. Lunch, spring greens and 3 rounds of polenta topped with beets. Dinner, basmati white rice with broccoli topped with vegan spicy ketchup and Brazilian nuts. First dessert all week. Sprout vegan pumpkin pie. Steps 8,000. Mostly food shopping, housework, and walking the dogs. Breakfast, rolled oats with papaya, persimmon, and blueberries, including 2 cups of delicious coffee. Lunch, green spring salad with extra large orange pepper, brown rice, and garden fresh beets. Dinner, fresh spinach with canned lentil soup. Steps 5,000. Breakfast, steel oats with overripe banana and kiwis. Lunch, black beans with broccoli. Today's activity, fixing leaky irrigation lines. Breakfast, steel cut oats with blackberries and persimmons. Lunch, spinach topped with bite-sized potatoes and tomatoes. Dinner, maple glazed Brussels sprouts with Yukon red potatoes and a white raw mushrooms. 5,000 steps today.
You've seen the entire week's worth of delicious food that I make for myself. It gives some combination of eating oatmeal, oats, and a lot of times groats. I always mix a lot of fruit in my diet. That's the time when I eat my fruit, is in the morning. You should do the same thing. But some people in this diet will mix vegetables in their morning breakfast. For me, that's just, it doesn't work for me. But it doesn't mean that it won't work for you. I hope you enjoyed watching these videos. Gives you a basic idea of how I did it. Have yourself a good day, and we'll look forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye now. Did I tell you I've lost 33 pounds? That's the reason why this works.
Subscribe to us and give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you for watching.